So hello and welcome back to my channel Pokecom Ultra. In this video I am going to discuss about top 10 most powerful mythical Pokemons in the Pokemon universe. And also I have a big announcement which I will make at the end. So watch this video till the end and let's begin. Number 10, Darkrai. Darkrai is one of the most powerful dark type Pokemon in the Pokemon world. It is said to be the nightmare Pokemon as it can give any human or any living creature nightmares. It also has a base stat of 600 and it is a special attacker with a special attack stat of 135, and it can learn a lot many powerful special attacks like Hyper Beam, Blizzard, Thunder, Sludge Bomb, etc. It also has an extremely high speed of 125, and altogether its game data is not bad. It also has this ability Bad Dreams, which makes sleeping opponent Pokemons lose 1/8 of its maximum HP when Darkrai faints. Its performance in anime was really good. In the movie Rise of Darkrai, Darkrai was itself handling two extremely powerful legendary Pokemons, Dialga and Palkia, that too in a different dimension. Darkrai also has its own signature move, which is Dark Void, which sends the foe's subconscious mind to a different dimension. Thus, with all its powers, Darkrai deserves to be in the 10th position of my list. So let's move on to number 9. Number 9, Keldeo Resolute Form. Keldeo is an extremely powerful water and fighting type Pokemon with a base stat of 580. In its Resolute form, Keldeo was battling a super strong legendary Pokemon Kyurem in the movie Pokemon Swords of Justice. Although Keldeo lost the battle, but the way it was battling, it looked like Keldeo would defeat Kyurem. Although Keldeo's normal form is the weakest among the Swords of Justice, but in its Resolute form, it drastically becomes the strongest among the Swords of Justice. Like Darkrai, Keldeo is also a special attacker with a special attack stat of 129. In accordance, it can learn powerful special attacks like Hyper Beam, Muddy Water, etc. Its ability Justified raises Keldeo's physical attack by one stage when Keldeo is hit by a dark type attack. Number 8, Diancie, including Mega Evolution and Shiny Genesect. I have included both these Pokemons as their powers are at same levels. Shiny Genesect had appeared once in the movie Genesect and the Legend Awakened, where Genesect was able to handle the most powerful legendary Pokemon Mewtwo all by itself, and Genesect's speed was nothing less than light speed. For some time, Genesect had almost crossed Mewtwo's lightning speed. Genesect's anime performance was incredible. Not only its anime performance, but also its game data is overall good. Genesect's base stat is 600 with an extremely high attack stat of 120. It also has the ability Download, which boosts its attack. Diancie, on the other hand, is an extremely powerful rock and fairy type Pokemon who can turn the particles present in the atmosphere into diamonds. Diancie appeared once in the movie Diancie and the Cocoon of Destruction. In that movie, Mega Diancie blocked Yveltal's Oblivion Wing for a long time. Mega Diancie's full body is made up of diamond, and diamond being the hardest material, its attack stat boosts up to 160, but defense stat decreases up to 110. But still, its defense stat is quite decent. It also has the ability Magic Bounce, which reflects back the stat changes to its opponent Pokemon. It can also learn an extremely powerful rock type attack, which is Diamond Storm, which has a base power of 100. With all these, both these Pokemons deserve to be in the same position of my list. That is number 8. Now let's move on to number 7. Number 7, Volcanion. Volcanion is an extremely powerful dual type Pokemon, and being a fire and water type, Volcanion gets resistance from a lot many types, and it also becomes immune to water. Because of its dual typing, it can learn a lot many moves. In the movie Volcanion and the Mechanical Marvel, Volcanion was shown as an extremely overpowered Pokemon, and its attack Steam Eruption was so powerful that it had caused huge destruction and had almost destroyed the forest near it. Volcanion's performance was not limited to anime. In games, Volcanion's performance was too good. It is normally a special attacker with a special attack stat of 130. In accordance, it can learn a lot many special moves which are Steam Eruption, Hydro Pump, Giga Impact, Overheat, etc. With all these, Volcanion deserves to be in the 7th position of my list. So let's move on to number 6. Number 6, Deoxys. Deoxys is an extremely overpowered Pokemon who defeated Rayquaza in its base form. In the movie Destiny Deoxys, its performance was too good. In that movie, Deoxys was able to handle an extremely powerful legendary Pokemon, Rayquaza. And not only did Deoxys handle it but also defeated Rayquaza. It is also known to have 4 different forms, which are its normal form, its attack form, its defense form, and its speed form. Because of these forms, defeating Deoxys becomes extremely hard. In anime, there is one Pokemon who could break through its defense barriers, and that Pokemon is Mega Rayquaza. In anime, fighting and defeating Deoxys is next to impossible, except for some selective Pokemons like Mega Rayquaza. Deoxys also has its own signature move, which is Psycho Boost, and it has a whooping base power of 140. But unfortunately, it has low accuracy, which is 90. And not only this, it has a wide range of move pools and can learn a lot many TM moves of different types. But unlike anime, its performance was not that good in games. In games, it can be caught in its normal form, and changing its form is a long process, as Deoxys cannot change its form by itself. And because of this reason, Deoxys will have irregular stats depending on its form. But altogether, its powers are extremely high and it deserves to be in the 6th position of my list. Number 5, Celebi. Although Celebi is a cute Pokemon, but if Celebi smells danger, then it can become as aggressive as Midnight Lycanroc. In the movie Celebi and the Voice of Forests, Celebi's psychic auras had caused huge destruction. Celebi is not only known for its destructive powers but also its healing powers. In the movie Zoroark and the Master of Illusions, Celebi's healing was so effective that it completely healed the dying Zoroark at once. There are selectively some Pokemons who have such healing powers. Another special power of this Pokemon is time traveling. In the Pokemon world, there are 2 Pokemons who can time travel. One of them is Dialga and the other one is Celebi. And this time traveling power is one of the reasons why which Celebi's power levels are same as that of legendary Pokemon Dialga. Like Dialga, Celebi can use its time power effectively. In Sun and Moon, Celebi teleported both Ash and Torracat at once. Unlike anime, its game data is not very impressive, as all its stats are 100. Thus, its game performance would be average. Its ability Natural Gift is useful, as it cancels all status changes when it switches out. Even after having an average game performance, it is shown as an extremely overpowered Pokemon in anime. Thus, with all its anime powers, it deserves to be in the 5th position. Number 4, Victini. Victini is one of the smallest Pokemon in the Pokemon universe, but its powers are extremely high. In the movie White Victini and Reshiram, Victini's powers had reached its peak. The pillar, which is Zekrom, and Reshiram could not break with strong attacks like Fusion Bolt and Fusion Flare, was destroyed by Victini with 1 V-Create only. Not only this, Victini survived the huge explosion caused due to the destruction of the pillar. At the end of the movie, Victini's powerful psychic auras turned the barren land into grassy field. Like Celebi, Victini's stats are 100, but its performance is much better than Celebi. That is because of its moveset. Normally by level up, Victini learns fire, fighting, normal and psychic type moves, but the big blow comes to its TM moves and transfer moves. Victini can learn a lot many TM moves of different types and it can learn powerful moves like Fusion Flare, Blue Flare, Bolt Strike, Fusion Bolt, and Glaciate, which are the signature moves of the Unova Dragons by transfer. Its ability Victory Star boosts its evasiveness. Thus, with all its powers, it deserves to be in the fourth position of my list. Number 3, Mew. Mew is a cute and playful Pokemon, but it is extremely overpowered. Mew is said to be the ancestor of each and every non-legendary, non-mythical, and non-ultra beast Pokemons. Because of this reason, Mew can learn each and every move. Not only can it learn each and every move, but also turn into any Pokemon and can copy their powers. Mew's transformation is so effective that it can change its type. Not only its type, but also its ability and base stats. But the only thing Mew or any other Pokemon with transforming abilities cannot copy is its Poise physical power. Being a psychic type, Mew is weak to Ghost, Dark, and Bug type. But Mew can change into any Pokemon of any type. Thus, Mew does not have a particular typing. But unfortunately, in games, it cannot use its transformation powers. But the speciality of this Pokemon is that it can learn each and every TM moves and TR moves. Thus, with all its powers, Mew deserves to be in the third position of my list. Number 2, Hoopa Unbound. Hoopa is an extremely overpowered dark and psychic type Pokemon who manipulated strong legendary Pokemons like Giratina, Dialga, Palkia, White Kyurem, Black Kyurem, Primal Groudon, etc. Like Mew, Hoopa Unbound's type does not matter as it can summon any Pokemon of any type. It is one of those Pokemons who have access to Mirror Dimension, and having access to Mirror Dimension, it can summon a duplicate Pokemon. In anime, defeating Hoopa is extremely hard as it can summon 6 legendary Pokemons at once, and when those Pokemons are summoned, they will be under Hoopa's control. But unfortunately, Hoopa has a disadvantage too, which is that Hoopa is weak when it comes to one-on-one battle. That is without summoning legendary Pokemons. In the movie Hoopa and the Clash of Ages, Hoopa was easily dominated by Lugia when Hoopa did not summon legendary Pokemons. Unlike most of the other mythical Pokemons, Hoopa's game performance is good. In games, Hoopa Unbound has a stat of 680 rather than 600, and it is completely immune to Psychic, 4 times weak to Bug, and 2 times weak to Fairy, and receives normal damage from the rest of the typings. It is a special attacker with a special attack stat of 170. In accordance, it can learn powerful special attacks like Giga Impact, Hyper Beam, Hyperspace Fury, etc. Its signature move, Hyperspace Fury, is extremely powerful with a base power of 100, and Protect does not affect Hyperspace Fury as Hoopa attacks the Pokemon from behind. Thus, with all its powers, Hoopa deserves to be in the second position of my list. Number 1, Arceus. Arceus is said to be the god of Pokemons. In the movie Hoopa and the Clash of Ages, Arceus could stop Hoopa's tyrant just by one appearance. In one appearance, Arceus stopped an extremely powerful Space Rift at once. In the movie Arceus and the Jewels of Life, Arceus could defeat extremely powerful Pokemons like Palkia, ruler of space, Dialga, ruler of time, and Giratina, ruler of the distortion world. Arceus has its own plates inside itself. With the help of those plates, it can defend any attack. In anime, Arceus is the first ever Pokemon to have been given the title of God. In games, its performance is good. It is the mythical Pokemon with the highest base stat of 720. Its ability multi-type helps it change its type depending on the type plates. It also has its own signature move, which is Judgment. Judgment can cause huge destruction, and depending on the plate Arceus is holding, Judgment can change its type. It has a base power and an accuracy of 100. Thus, Arceus is in the first position of my list. So hope you have liked the video, and if you like this video, then hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and click the notification bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, it reaches till you. And as for the big announcement, I was going to announce that I am going to upload anime content too. So be ready. Bye. See you next video.